Fantasy football is a game where fans create their own teams made up of real NFL players, okay? So here's how it works. So drafting players. You need players. Drafting players. At the beginning of the season, each player in your league selects real NFL players during a draft. You can choose quarterbacks, running backs, wide receivers, tight ends, and more. Number 2, scoring points. Each week, your fantasy team earns points based on how well your players perform in real NFL games. For example, if a player scores a touchdown, you get points for that. Okay? Number 3, starting lineups. Each week, you choose which players will be in your starting lineup. You can change this based upon injuries or matchups against other teams. Sorry, this guy was backing up over there. Number 4, matchups. Each week your team goes head-to-head against another team in your league. So basically the team with the most points at the end of the week wins the matchup. Number 5, waiver wire. If a player is injured or not performing well, you can replace them by picking up players from the waiver wire, players not currently on a team. Number 6, playoffs and championship. At the end of the regular season, the top teams compete in playoffs, and the winner is crowned the league champion. So basically, it's a fun way to enjoy the NFL season and test your skills as a manager.